Hey, this is Bo with IDXHL. My last video, I showed you how you can create a default safe search for any lead coming in from any source so they can start getting property listings. Now, what if you have a more specific safe search that you want to create? I'll give you an example. Say you are running an ad for your client, for the realtor, or you are a realtor running the ad for homes in Draper, it's a city in Utah, under $750,000. So the idea behind this funnel would be that you want to start sending them properties, obviously. So you run your ads, homes in Draper under 750,000. They click on it. They're going to come to the funnel page. They're going to fill out a form, obviously, to get their contact information. And then what we want to do is two things. First of all, this last page, we're going to show them the properties that they are interested in. So I've created a widget in IDX Broker for homes in Draper under 750,000. The nice thing about this is it's dynamic enough that it will just always change based on how many homes happen to be in Draper under 750,000 at the time. So it's going to show those homes, but it's also going to say we'll email you anytime there is a new listing. Obviously, I got to change that. That's not spelled right, but whatever. That's step one. They just saw the properties. Great. But we, again, want to email them, start emailing them. So what we've done is created another workflow. This is going to be triggered from a form submitted from the funnel page right here. And you can see that right now I have several set up. You can do this lots of different ways. This is just how we have it done right now. Depending on the kind of funnel, it is going to, here's our single family. It's going to update the contact field. Now, the difference between this one and the default one that I showed last time is the default save search is a custom value, which means it's going to be the same no matter what. But this time we're updating a contact field. So this is going to be specific to this contact. So we're updating the save search URL contact field. I went in to IDX Broker and basically went through, created that same search that I showed you in the default went to advanced and went through our single family, city, active, price range. So my max price is 750, which means it's going to be showing anything under 750,000. Did a search, copied this URL and pasted it right here. Then I named my search homes in Draper under 750,000. Save that. And then once it updates that contact field, it's going to go back to webhook. And come on, there we go. It's going to grab the URL of the custom field URL. It's going to grab that same app ID of IDX Broker. It's going to grab that from the custom value because that's the same for the realtor no matter who the lead is. It's going to add that search name. It's going to grab their email address. And again, it will go in, and if they're not already a lead in IDX Broker, it's going to create their lead. It's going to add this saved search to their lead profile in IDX Broker and start sending them properties whenever a new listing hits the market that meets this criteria. They'll obviously get that first email right away, and then after that, it will just send whenever a new property hits the market, whether that's once a day, once a week, once a month. It's just going to be automatic. So your realtor doesn't have to worry about it. Once it's set up the first time, it's basically set it and forget it. It just happens. It just works. It's going to make their life easier. It's going to make you look like a hero. And everybody's going to win. So, have any questions about this? Reach out. Love to talk to you. Thanks. Oh, and we got to shut that down.